Imagine disappearing for 30 days. No distractions, no wasted time, no mindless scrolling, just you improving your life every single day. This is called monk mode, and it might be the most powerful reset you can give your life because right now, most people are living in constant distraction. They wake up and immediately check their phone. They scroll through social media for hours. They eat food that drains their energy. They delay their goals day after day, and slowly, one without even realizing it, they lose their focus, discipline, and drive. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and suddenly years have passed with almost no progress. Monk mode is the complete opposite of that lifestyle. It's a short period of intense focus where you remove everything unnecessary and dedicate your time to becoming a better version of yourself. Think about monks in ancient times. They removed distractions from their lives so they could focus on mastery, discipline, and self-improvement. Monk mode follows the same idea. For 30 days, you focus only on the habits that move your life forward, nothing else. And the transformation that can happen in just 1 month is incredible. Because most people underestimate how powerful 30 focused days can be. But to do monk mode properly, you need clear rules. Rule number 1, wake up early. The early hours of the morning are different. They are quiet, peaceful, free from distractions. While the world is still sleeping, you are already improving yourself. You can plan your day, read something valuable, or start working toward your goals. Waking up early instantly puts you ahead of most people. Rule number 2, train your body every day. Your body and mind are deeply connected. When your body becomes stronger, your confidence grows, your energy increases, your discipline improves. You don't need a gym membership. Push-ups, squats, pull-ups, dumbbell exercises, even a simple 30-minute workout every day can completely change how you feel. Rule number 3, remove social media distractions. This might be the hardest rule for most people because social media is designed to keep you addicted. Every notification, every short video, every scroll is stealing your time, time that could be used to improve your life. During monk mode, reduce social media as much as possible. Instead of consuming content, focus on creating a better version of yourself. Rule number 4, fuel your body with clean food. What you eat directly affects how you feel. Junk food might taste good for a few minutes, but it drains your energy for hours. During monk mode, focus on simple and powerful foods, protein, fruits, vegetables, whole foods. Your body will feel lighter, stronger, and more energized. Rule number 5, work on your goals every single day. This is where the real transformation happens. Choose something that improves your future. It could be studying, learning a new skill, building your fitness, starting a project. Even 1 hour of deep focus every day adds up to 30 hours in a month. That amount of progress can completely change your direction in life. Now imagine this, 30 days of early mornings, 30 days of daily workouts, 30 days without constant distractions, 30 days of clean food and focused work. You wouldn't just feel different. You would become someone most people can't even recognize. More disciplined, more confident, more focused. And the best part is, once you experience this version of yourself, you will never want to go back to the old one. Most people never discover their true potential because they never give themselves enough time away from distractions. But you can. So here's the challenge. Try monk mode for the next 30 days. No excuses, no shortcuts, just pure focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Because the person you become during those 30 days might completely change the rest of your life.